Ever wondered how your garden could become your own personal pharmacy? Welcome to the world of medicinal herbs, a tradition rooted in centuries of global history. These plants, like calming lavender, invigorating mint, and soothing chamomile, are more than just pretty faces in your flower bed. They can help alleviate a variety of ailments from insomnia to indigestion. And the magic of these plants? You can grow them right at home. Imagine stepping into your backyard to pluck fresh herbs for your herbal tea or a soothing bath. It's not just a dream, it's a possibility within your grasp. Let's embark on your journey to a medicinal herb garden. First off, location matters. Choose a spot with ample sunlight, as herbs love to bask in the light. Next, prepare your soil. It should be well drained and rich in organic matter. Now comes the exciting part, selecting your herbs. Start with easy-to-grow varieties like mint, rosemary, or chamomile. These herbs not only have numerous health benefits, but also add a delightful fragrance to your garden. Once you have your herbs, it's time to plant. Dig a hole, place the herb, and cover with soil. Remember, patience is key here. Nurture your herbs with regular watering, but don't drown them. Growing your own medicinal herbs is as rewarding as it is beneficial. It's time to turn this dream into a reality and reap the healing wonders of nature. Ready to turn your green thumb into a source of health and wellness? Now's the time to embark on this rewarding journey. Imagine the satisfaction of nurturing your own medicinal herb garden. It's not just about the health benefits, it's about the joy of watching your herbs flourish under your care. This is more than a hobby, it's a lifestyle that promotes wellness and connection with nature. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!